Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can buy Bitcoin on Cashapp. It's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step, open Cashapp. After you open Cashapp, at the bottom right corner you can see the little B icon over here. This is the symbol of Bitcoin, so you want to click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the buy option over here, so you want to click on buy, and it's also going to show you the current price of one Bitcoin. Alright, so I'm going to click on buy, and at the next step it's going to ask you how much amount you want. So I'm going to click on the three dot and enter a custom amount. So I'm going to go for $80 and I'm going to click on next. After I click on next, it's going to ask me to enter my mobile number. After I enter my mobile number, and then it's going to ask me to verify my account. So if you guys have already linked your mobile number in Cashapp and verified your account, then basically the amount you typed over there. So in my case, I wrote $80, which means $80 is going to be taken out from my account and it's going to be used for buying, like, Bitcoin. And the $80 is going to be taken out from my Cashapp account. Alright, so make sure you have enough money in order to buy the Bitcoin on your Cashapp. And after you enter the amount, click on buy. If your mobile number and your account is verified, then basically Bitcoin will be bought and it's going to be stored on your Cashapp account. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can buy Bitcoin on Cashapp. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye.